Hi, my name is Felix Aon, and this is my marketing communications final presentation. The objective of this project is to answer the question, what do I believe is the future of marketing for the next 5 to 10 years? So to start, what is marketing communications? It is a mix between marketing and advertising. It emphasizes the idea of reaching out to an audience, whether the organization was commercial, not-for-profit, government, or other type of collective. Marketing communications is designed to reflect whatever the communication objective is, and it is constantly changing and evolving. Marcomm uses different marketing channels and tools and messages and media that marketers use to communicate with target markets. So the next one, what makes a person buy? On the right, you can see Maslow's hierarchy of needs. So the first one is psychological needs, safety needs, love and belonging, self-esteem, and self-actualization. For the first one, needs, people buy things because they absolutely need them, so necessities. Examples can be clothes, food, drinking, and housing. You can sell your product or service to help people solve common problems. The next one is quality of life purchases. Many customers buy products or services that makes their life easier and more comfortable. Buyers acquire new goods to help them complete tasks more efficiently. Next one is security and protection. Customers purchase products to protect themselves and to provide security and peace of mind. And it goes hand in hand with Maslow's second hierarchy, which is safety and safety needs. Certain purchases, or an example would be insurance, life insurance, auto insurance. Those type of purchases safeguard our health and possessions, and they help us cope with misfortune and protect us from uncertainty. The next one is good deal complex. Many people buy certain products because they think they are getting the best possible price for that product. Some examples would be, BJ's, Costco, Sam's Club. They offer low prices for bulk purchases. And on Black Friday and Cyber Monday, people go crazy because those are the only 2 days where those are the lowest prices for certain products. Next one is FOMO, or fear of missing out. Many people purchase items due to the fact that it is the latest and greatest thing out on the market. So PlayStation 5s, Xbox Ones, Apple iPhones, people wait in lines for hours just to get their hands on those products. Many people purchase goods to get the benefits, rewards, and prestige other buyers have experienced due to buying those products. If they don't follow through with their purchase, they miss out. Customers are able to showcase their new items and have a feeling of inclusion with the rest of the new buyers. The last one is happiness. Customers respond positively to brands that understand how to tap into their need of wanting to be happy. These purchases can be hobbies, interests, or something the consumer finds aesthetically pleasing. So the first one is search engine optimization. The definition is the means by which the website owner can manipulate a site in such a way as to maximize the number of retrievals and page ranking of that site. Search engines look for keywords to show the consumer all of the different sites. They use bots and crawl the internet to find the best sites based on those keywords and offer paid placements and sponsored listings to ensure brands are visible to searchers. So a way I see this becoming better for the next 5 to 10 years is using Google and other communication platforms and grouping people based on what they search and send them advertisements and emails based on their search history. You can send consumers ads and emails showing products that they have searched and use discount codes to reel them in and finalize their purchase. And their ads and other stuff would show up on websites, social media, and other technology-based platforms to ensure brands are visible to the searchers. Next one is content marketing. I believe content marketing will be huge for the next 5 to 10 years due to the fact that there are so many outlets for people to see the different products. The definition is process of creating and distributing relevant content to attract, acquire, and engage a clearly defined group. The goal is to reach the target audience and increase brand awareness, sales, engagement, and loyalty. And also to boost conversation, build relationships, educate the target audience, and sense of community. I have a video on the right by the Baseball Bat Bros. They are a group of people that review baseball bats. So for me, I play baseball, and this page has helped me make certain bat purchases, and they help people review certain bats, and they hit with them and they give their review. And this is just a quick clip that I want to show for the video. So, as you can see in the video, they're hitting with the baseball bat, and throughout the video, different people swing with the bat. They give their honest review on it, and this page has over 300,000 subscribers. They have their own website, they have their own brand, and I believe that if content creators are able to have an audience this big just by reviewing a baseball bat, then during the future, I feel like people can really make an impact. So the next one I have is instruction marketing. Um, Instruction marketing basically is creating a market of people who want to learn and want to learn something or how to do something. You can create a brand or community through educational videos that help people. They can be short clips on Instagram, TikTok, or longer videos through YouTube. You basically help and answer questions people have and generate revenue through social media, advertising, content, and merchandise. So a couple examples would be gym influencers showing people how to do certain workouts, technology videos, what's the best product, what is the best pricing for that certain product, how to use a product, or what are the best settings for the product that I currently have. Another would be sport instructional videos. So for me, I play baseball. And a couple examples would be hitting videos, fielding videos, or how to grip a certain pitch. You can have clips on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and you can show, you can demonstrate for people how to do a certain pitch, how to field a certain ground ball, stuff like that. Last one I have is personalized Google profiles. So I believe in the future that this will be a big thing for Google. Basically, it would combine all three of the marketing styles I previously mentioned together into a personalized Google profile. You would get personalized emails, ads, and videos based on your search history. You would be shown personalized ads on social media platforms that you're signed into. With that Google account, you will be offered discount codes and personally recommended videos from content creators that showcase the product that you want. And that is it. These are my cited sources, and thank you for watching.